Those are we have.
Yeah.
Those we have. These crabs are very expensive.
Yeah, flower crab.
More big, the big one they make. This may cost you 1,000 Hong Kong.
Wow, 1,000.
But this is not good.
Okay. What about last time you told me these snails are nice?
Oh, the big one is very nice.
Yeah, and also...
What do you want? The big one, especially the big one is good.
Yeah, how much?
The big one is one. Roughly about $20 each.
Oh, one of the smaller?
Yeah. Yeah, no, the big one. The small one are cheaper. The small one is only $90 for one whole dish. The big one is about $20 each. Very expensive, but very good. It's different because this is farm. This is small. So you may try a few.
Yeah, so last time I tried this one.
Last time, yeah.
$30.
I prefer you take this big one rather than this one. That is more tasteful. You tried last time?
No, I never saw this fish yet.
Did you try last time?
No.
We steam it and we cook the food, the meat. Very, very tasty.
We tried until that.
Sometimes they boil soup. This is
Right. What do you think about this one?
This is type of small garuba.
Yeah.
Small garuba. The Chinese people like to make soup. It's good for health.
Yeah.
And it helps you to if you have a wound, you recover more quickly.
Yeah, not very interesting fish. Yeah, like this one. Croaker. Is it croaker, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice one or this one?
I like if they have bigger ones, it is fun.
And this is belly of group, big group. Yeah. What about this one?
This is a small, long head. This is a small one.
How much?
This is not good.
Yeah.
The taste is a little bit shrimp. But if you want to try, it's okay.
How much?
$100 for
One.
one piece.
Bucket. Yeah.
You buy?
Bucket.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll take this.
Cái phần cho mà bóng cháy.
And maybe.
You want to
Yes.
100 of this?
Yeah.
Okay.一份象拔蚌仔，一份花螺，拎佢出。媽咪呢個黑紅蛋。
So 200 per kilo.
Yeah. Shake.
Yeah.
They take it out.
呢隻好好食啊！呢隻咩魚啊？蝦肉貝啊！一個魷魚水咯。嚇？魷魚水。
So 200 in total.
水浸啊？係啊，魷魚水。有魷魚水就得㗎啦。咁啊係，咁啊係呢隻啊，有大蜆，但係呢個炒啊，你想點食啊？咁？
To learn how to do it. I like this one, long one. We've got a lot of them growing, yeah.
包俾我。
買啊，冇啦，賣晒啦。
唉，即火嘅，我驚即係陣間你唔記得咗我。
我知電話行啊嘛。
唔該晒。
我啲話好叻嚟啊！
You know, this is about 150. They have to about 5 kettle, 6 kettle to prepare one. You can try one. This is dry. You can taste it.
Nice. No, this one, big one.
Yeah, they will.
Not good.
It's good, but we don't have to.
Last time, no, not this one.
This is good for soup.
Yeah.
Tomato fish soup. Very nice. Milky color when you boil.
本來最鹽啊，最鹽得過啊！
椒鹽啦。
係啊，有個客食完就行翻去又仲買，即買
下次啊，今日搞得就食咗。
Yeah, this is a big one.
呢個係咩？帶子邊？帶子雲邊？原本。
This is already clean.
This is the shellfish, the round one.
Yeah.
They cut the edge.
This is edge.
They make it clean. So this is very good for fry, quick fry, or quick fry, very quick. Or you can use pepper. It's very to $20 or $30.
Yeah. This is good.
呢個幾錢啊姐？$50.
You wanna try?
You want to try? It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is from the big round.
Yeah.
Yeah, from this one.
Yeah. From this one, they open it, and they normally people don't want the
Yeah, this mantil.
so they collect it and wash it, clean it, and
Yeah, so
wait,
yeah.
you have to. We have to ask the shop. Don't boil too hot. You know, just cook it.
Just touch with the
Yeah,
fire,
touch.
that's it.
阿姐別盤我。
I'll give butterfly for this.
You butter?
Butterfly.
夠啦。不過佢一條友食啊，
可以落嚟食嘅。
我同佢食咯。
你生食啊，熟食？
唔係生食，梗係油泡啊。
油包。我唔知油包有冇食咁啊？
唔知有冇食？白灼啊？